So place your guinea pig on the floor or wherever you have them. Take your, Take your right hand, scoop under their belly. Wow, he's flying! So that your fingers wiggle through. Now take your other hand and cup under his butt, under their bottom. Excuse me. Take your hand again, place under the butt, like so. Take your other hand, scoop under the belly, and then hold them close because they're little, so they feel afraid and they need to be held close and comforted.